I find the best way to love someone is not to change them, but instead help them reveal the greatest version of themselves. We waste time looking for the perfect lover instead of creating the perfect love. Love has nothing to do with what you are expecting to get, only with what you are expecting to give, which is everything. True love is when you will do anything and everything that you can just to make your love happy. Give the ones you love wings to fly, roots to come back, and reasons to stay. How wonderful to go beyond wanting and fearing in your relationships. Love does not want or fear anything. I loved her not for the way with my angels, but for the way the sound of her name could silence my demons. A lover, if he is worthy of the name, ought to show his love not to some one part of that which he loves, but to the whole. If you love someone, put their name in a circle, not a heart, because a heart can be broken, a circle goes on forever. To me, obligation is not love. Letting someone be open, honest, and free, that's love. It's got to come natural and it's got to be real. Serve love through the lover, so that you never become attached to the lover. And when one is not attached to the lover, love reaches its highest peaks. The moment one is attached, one starts falling low. Attachment is a kind of gravitation. Unattachment is grace. Unreal love is another name for attachment. Real love is very detached. When someone loves you, the way they say your name is different. You know that your name is safe in their mouth. I never realized how much you meant to me until someone spoke your name and an irrepressible, goofy grin stretched my lips. There is nothing sweeter in this sad world than the sound of someone you love calling your name. Drop envy and jealousy. Otherwise, there is no possibility, because love cannot exist where envy and jealousies exist. Then your search is only for certain type of power, that in the name of love you are just trying to fulfill the ego, and it is arduous to drop, because love exists only when all the negative elements of the mind are dropped. It is very arduous. Love is an energy which exists of itself. It is its own value. We are all a little weird, and life is little weird, and when we find someone whose weirdness is compatible with ours, we join up with them and fall into mutually satisfying weirdness and call it love, true love. I would rather share one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. To fall in love with yourself is the first secret to happiness. Do I love you? My God, if your love were a grain of sand, mine would be a universe of beaches. Love is the crowning grace of humanity, the holiest rite of the soul, the golden link which binds us. True love is eternal, infinite, and always like itself.